This, my friends, is what a houseboat in Srinagar, India looks like. Let me show you. It's crazy, there's stuff everywhere, there's just so much. Look. This isn't all either. Come. Here is another bedroom. Craziness. There's more. And then another bedroom. Wait. Upstairs to the sun deck. Our kitchen that is not used as a kitchen. And our dining room. Crazy dining room. Crazy chair. Wait, there's more. And outside, where we are constantly bombarded by people trying to sell us stuff. Here are some no boxes. Again, the boxes.
So many for your boxes. I can come some other time.
Maybe sometime soon. Not today.
Not
Maybe
today.
in a few days.
After a few days.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
see you
need.
then.
Thank you.
65.
And everybody just chilling. Yay!
I'm having a plum.
Oh, I'm having a plum too.
Yeah.
Plums.
Did you show the house?
Yeah.
You show our stocked up fridge?
No.
Yeah.
So
So I have
And
two
this
baby
is-
watermelon, a half baby
So-
melon,
Oh, they
five
came
mango.
in. Mango.
Yes, I came yesterday.
Yeah, it's a new measuring system.
Tell me,
They're using babies to measure fruit.
Yes.
Our watermelon's 2.5 babies.
2.5 babies? Wow.
Yes.
Monkey.
Monkey?
Panda.
Yes, I think so.
Horse.
Can I give you? And lifabs. Popo's got lifabs.
Neighbors.
Call Pilim.
Namaste. Namaste.
No, damn. I don't think I know what to do it.
Yeah, you do.
Hey, what are you? Huh? Kasa pot for it.
שאני פורמת בתחילת
Kasa
העיר.
was second long jump.
אני לא יודעת.
אז תשאלי פה בסירה ליד,
אני לא
בבקשה.
רוצה.
I was told I had to show our stocked up fridge. Wow. Water, Fanta, ginger ale, Coca-Cola. Yum. Fruits. Good to have. And here, nothing.